Today we are talking about human history. Scientists have divided human history into three parts: the Old Stone Age, the Middle Stone Age, and the New Stone Age. But in today's video, we will talk only about the Old Stone Age. This is the history that is considered to be from the time close to Hazrat Adam AS and his early generations. These were the people of that time. First of all, we will explain why it is called the Old Stone Age. It is called the Old Stone Age because most of the things used by people at that time were made of stone, such as their weapons, tools, and utensils. The second question is, how did we get the history of this time? Most of the history we found is in the form of pictures carved on stones. Other evidence comes from their weapons and tools, many of which were made from bones. The time gap between us and those people is about 2.5 million years. After such a long time, most of the history we found is related to stones and bones, because other materials were dissolved over time. Stones and bones did not dissolve, which is why they survived. By comparing these remains, scientists learned about their history and explained how these people lived and what their lifestyle was like. Now, let's talk about those people. Evidence of them has been found in many parts of the world, but the oldest evidence was found in Ethiopia. These findings included pictures and different types of tools which showed that humans lived in that area. Their community was not organized. There was no state and no government. They usually traveled in small groups and migrated from one place to another according to their needs. According to research, they usually traveled in groups of 20 to 100 people. Their decision-making system was based on mutual consultation because there was no leader among them. No one ruled over others and no one was followed. So all decisions were made together. Everyone knew how to do all kinds of work. There was no difference between men and women. Everyone was treated equally, and no one was superior to anyone else. Their tools were rough and sharp, and they mostly used stone hand axes. For clothing, they used animal skins. The animals they hunted, they used their skins to make clothes. To protect themselves from wild animals, they lived at some distance from forests, so they could stay safe and still hunt animals when needed. Their food usually included hairy elephants with long hair, deer, and other animals. They cooked all these things using fire and then ate them. Besides this, they also used fruits and dry fruits. One unique skill they had was painting art. To make colors, they used burnt bones, animal blood, and leaves of trees. Using these colors, they made drawings on walls and told different stories through these paintings, which we have discovered today through research. Another unique skill was making small statues. They made different types of statues using clay. As time passed, the climate kept changing. Then at one point, the Ice Age came. During their last period, because of the Ice Age, they had to travel to different parts of the world and adjust themselves to different environments. Because of the Ice Age and environmental changes, some animals became completely extinct, and today they do not exist anywhere in the world. Today we talked about the Old Stone Age and how people of that time lived their lives. Inshallah, in the coming videos, we will talk about how societies improved their lives and how their lifestyle changed over time.